In this video, we are going to discuss about the two different sound of the and the. The is used before the vowel sound and the is used before the consonant sound. For examples, the employees. It is not the, it is the. The employee. There is a connection. The employee. The sound is used before vowel and employees is started with the vowel sound. The employees. There is a connectivity. There is a little sound the and there is a little sound of employee. So the sound is used before the word which